film it also?
No, I have no power on.
Okay. Stag is C, the last one to be filmed here. What was the address again?
Asun Skefti Puolipäivänkatu.
Yeah. All the stages you can watch here. There's also in Katajanokka, Scotland, and Helsinki has Forshuusminen and Finland. It doesn't deserve 2 rides.
Yeah.
It was built in 1981 by Valmet. It finished in late 1981. I assume VS 5978, sorry. I'm so excited I cannot pronounce anything.
Niistä piittaakin vaan, jos pitää mennä eteenpäin kouluun.
We really had to struggle to get inside these 2 restaurants.
Yeah.
Now we did it. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and that's it.
That's it.